Welcome to at Toni's Garage and to the last part of that great Minichamps unboxing. I am Toni and we are going to open another 12 Minichamps models. Let's begin. So we will start with a Lamborghini, an old Lamborghini, a Lamborghini GT 400 2+2 from 1964. So the second year of business for Lamborghini Automobile, excepting the business of tractors. We are going to discuss only about supercars right now. And this is the upgrade from the Lamborghini 350 GT from the 1963. This very beautiful 400 GT 2+2 in this great looking orange. It is a very cool design. I'm a big fan of front engine Grand Tourers, and this is a great example of it. I absolutely love those rims. You're not able to see the brakes, but this is something normal due to the design of those rims. Very cool details. Love those exhaust pipes. It has a wooden steering wheel, something very cool and something typical for that period of time. Also the interior is great. You can see the buttons and the shift. Very nice retro seats. Absolutely fantastic looking model. This is one of a limited series of 2016 pieces. Let's move to a gentleman's car, something more suitable to a James Bond character. This is the 2009 Aston Martin DB9, an absolutely fantastic design on this Aston Martin. They really nailed it with the DB9 and the DBS from that generation. And this Toro red version of the Aston Martin DB9 looks absolutely sublime. Look at it. Awesome red paint, metallic paint. The steering wheel is on the right, something typical to British cars. You'll also see that light interior, something like leather type of interior with plenty of details. Those very sporty and cool seats. You have the DB9 right here, so very cool small details. I love that Aston Martin grille. Absolutely awesome model. This is a limited edition, one of 1492 pieces. Going back to the Lamborghini, a small Lamborghini from '74. This is the Lamborghini Urraco. I was actually quite fortunate to see a real one at a Țiriac collection, a car collection from a billionaire from Romania. He has one of these, and it is a very nice looking little Lamborghini. It is quite small compared with the Diablo, for example, but it is very nice. It has 4 seats. I don't know who will get in the back seats, to be honest, but the design is very cool. It is drawn by Bertone, and you will see the Bertone logo right here on the car. Very cool exhaust pipes, very cool details on the engine and on the front. Nice headlights. That interior, that leather interior, is also very cool, and I like that retro design of the seats. Also, the steering wheel and that dashboard is very detailed. Having in mind that you don't have windows on the doors, you are able to see the interior quite well. Not on camera, unfortunately, but in the real life, this is a beauty. One of 4,512 pieces. Let's move to an American now, where you will have a very cool looking Ford Mustang from 2005. I really like this combination of white paint with dark blue stripes, and the Mustang is one of the best cars you can put these stripes on. I also have a Ford GT with the same color combination, and it also looks absolutely awesome. Great detail, very aggressive car. I'm really glad of the design of this generation of Mustang. Cool interior, you can see it in detail. I really like that steering wheel. Nice seats, very cool exhaust pipes, very cool little Mustang in the front, and with that aggressive grille. This is a true American muscle car, modern muscle car with a great spirit. I really like this car. First column is already done. Let's see the next 2 ones, and we will continue with a Mercedes-Benz ML63 AMG, or the racing version, or not racing version, but the sportier version of the ML63. And this has quite an aggressive design for a pickup, not for an SUV car. Quite big, one of 2016 pieces. Look at that aggressive front, and of course those aggressive exhaust pipes that makes the car more aggressive than the real one. Big rims, awesome ones. Cool brake calipers. Unfortunately, they have the same color with the rims, so you need to pay attention to see them. Nice interior, even if it's all black, having in mind that you don't have windows on the front doors, you are able to see them in more details. Quite nice details on this very sporty SUV. It is not a real definition of sportiness, but what I can tell about this is that in real life it sounds absolutely awesome. That V8, oh, awesome sound. To be honest, if it will be for me to choose the sound of a V8, it will be from an AMG big car. Another Lamborghini, this time more modern, more exotic. We will discuss about a very cool and red Lamborghini Murcielago. And if I'm not mistaken, this is the concept of the Murcielago Roadster. I presented to you last episode the Murcielago Roadster, and this is the concept one. Not big differences between them, and both of them look absolutely amazing. And look at this great red, or because Italians and because Lamborghini needs to have a special name for this for its paint, this is Rosso Andromeda. Very cool and very nice details. I love those exhaust pipes in the middle, very nice and aggressive seats, cool interior. You'll have the Lamborghini mention on the dashboard, very nice details. This looks like a manual. If I'm not mistaken, Lamborghini Murcielago was quite a good car when it comes to the manual version of it. I read on some forums that many owners of this kind of car used it for more than 100k miles. So that's something. Next we have an interesting car that is not very known, but it's very dear to me. This is an American hot rod, or at least it is the Minichamps version of an American hot rod. I've seen many hot rods on YouTube at least, and this was not one of those models. But hey, I'm a big fan of this American hot rod. I really like that black with flame combination. Another limited edition of 2016 pieces, as you can see right here. Very cool flames was on this old Ford. I really like this kind of design. This is the only hot rod in my collection. Not so easy to find hot rods at this scale, but who knows, maybe in the future I will be able to find more. It has the exhaust pipes on the sides, very cool engine details, and awesome grille. Something that I really like, one of my favorite model cars from Minichamps. And again, not one very, I will not say very known, but very desired by collectors, but I like it. From 2003, this is the Porsche Carrera GT, an absolutely animal. I'm sorry that the star from Fast and Furious died in one of these, but this is nevertheless a fantastic looking car. And the details on this Minichamps model are top notch. Look at those yellow brake calipers, really cool rims as well, very cool red. I don't know why it's called Indisschrott, maybe this is the German name of this paint. Awesome interior with that dashboard that combines leather with aluminium or something like that. Very cool sport seats, and I really like that engine cover. It looks like it is from something like an aluminium cover, but very cool looking one, very aggressive looking one. Awesome details on this model car, one of 6,000 pieces, so it's not really a limited edition, but it is a very good looking one. Good, the second column is also over. Let's move to the final 4 models of this clip and of this big box that took us 5 clips. This is the Aston Martin Rapide, car that I really like. I prefer the contester of this car. Basically I prefer the Maserati Quattroporte, but I can only agree that this one looks also very nice. In black, not the best. I would have preferred to have it in a dark silver or something, but with that light interior that is want to imitate leather, it looks quite nice. So it actually looks like a 2-door Aston Martin with a bigger front doors, but actually it is a 4-door Aston Martin. Very nice details on it, brake calipers, brake discs, awesome rims, specific Aston Martin design, and with a very detailed interior. If you are going to zoom out, you will see a very nice interior on this Aston Martin. So one of 2,544 pieces, great addition. We will move to 1968 and we will see the Lamborghini Islero. Quite similar with the 400 GT 2+2, with the difference that they started to replace those curves in the design with more linear shapes, but it's still a Grand Tourer, still an Italian design that you can recognize very, very easily. I prefer the old rims, to be honest, but these ones are also very interesting. Cool wooden steering wheel, nice simple black interior, big windscreens, and you can see the interior quite well. Of course, the big engine in the front, very, very nice looking model. This was made in the same time with the Miura, so they already started to place the engines in the middle back. And speaking of cars with engines in the middle back, now I have a great looking Lamborghini Diablo. And when I discuss about Lamborghini Diablo, I will refer to a very cool red Lamborghini Diablo Roadster, a car that I got in the same time with that brown Lamborghini Diablo Coupe that I presented to you in the last clip. Look at it, absolutely fantastic design. This is like a spaceship for that period of time. Awesome details. I love those engine air intakes like a shark on the sides. Awesome rims, big fan of those kind of rims that you'll also see, well, similar ones on the later Murcielago. Great exhaust pipes in the back. Interior is quite, even if it's all black, it's quite detailed. It is an absolute joy to check out this model car. And also on these holes on the rims, you are able to see the brake calipers and the brake discs. This is not mobile, I cannot open the engine cover, but the design is absolutely great. And we will end this clip the same way we started it, with an orange Lamborghini. But if we started this clip with the Lamborghini from 1964, now we will end it with one from 2009, because I will present the very beautiful Lamborghini Murcielago LP670-4 SV. So basically the Lamborghini Murcielago Super Veloce, the fastest of the Murcielago series, in this very signature-like orange, or, because it's Lamborghini, Arancio Atlas. This is the name of the paint, as you can see it right here. One of 1008 pieces. Awesome details, love those rims. You can see those yellow brake calipers inside. Very cool seats, sporty seats, very cool interior. Awesome car. Too bad it doesn't have the back wing so detailed as the Norev one, but the rest of the details are here. You can see the engine with the Lamborghini logo through that glass. It is an absolutely beauty of a Lamborghini. And with that, I finished presenting the Lamborghini unboxing, but don't cry, don't worry, because right here I have another box that I will start opening right now, and this is full of XO models. So thank you for watching and stay tuned. Cheers!